How to clear voice memos on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to clear voice memos on iPhone. To get things started, let's open voice memos. And from here, as you can see, under all recordings, we have three different recordings. So if you'd like to just delete or clear one recording, just simply tap on that recording you want to delete and then tap on the trash can icon at the bottom left corner of that specific voice memo. So I'm going to tap on this, and then that's it. The recording 3 has disappeared. Now, if you'd like to remove all of the recordings here, tap Edit at the right top corner of the page and just simply tap on each of the recordings you have down here. Afterwards, just tap on the trash can icon at the bottom right corner of the page, and that's it. All the recordings on my screen have already disappeared. Now, be very mindful of this though. If you click on that back arrow right there at the top of all recordings, you can see that there's also a folder for all of your recently deleted. And if you want to delete this as well, just simply tap on that, tap edit, and then do the same thing until you can tap on done. But that's how easy it is to clear voice memos on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.